40, $50. That's, oh, thank you guys so much. Oh, Funko Pop, who is it, who is it? No, I've never even seen this before. Oh, that is awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. What it's gonna be?
And big box in the kid now.
Dad, retake. X-Pac. We do not have a good X-Pac. Ours is very old and pretty much. Oh, Stone Cold on the Zamboni.
Can I see
wow.
it? Can I see
That
it?
is so cool.
Can I
Thank you
see
so much, Brady. Wow.
I almost bought.
Guessing this is a Funko. Is this also a gift?
Yeah.
I'm guessing this is a Funko Pop here. Based on the shape. I wonder who it is. Cousin Eddie, and look, it's even got like a protector on the outside.
I didn't pay that. It just came with it.
That is awesome.
Hey, Ethan.
Oh. I have no idea what the inside of it.
I'll help you.
I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
Chandler, oh man. These two are like the top two single pops on my list. Pretty much. These are like the top two. Thank you guys so much. Oh man, that's awesome.
This is
Snacks, Gummy Cluster Nerds, Airhead Extremes. I haven't tried this flavor. I bet it would be good. Man.
and there's new fries.
Big giant pack of Kit Kat. And
Lincoln picked the flavors out. I have no idea.
Thank you, Lincoln. Thank you guys so much.
Hey.
Happy.
Oh.
Careful.
Oh. Whoa.
Money.
$20.
Open that.
17 years. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Can I see?
Look at the inside of this car.
We just don't know.
Look at that.
Anything else in your bag?
20.
You gotta take it to school and take it to.
To you.
No, I do have more money than you.
You don't.
Birthday
Still don't.
Did I say I didn't love the
to
green?
you.
Happy birthday to
Ethan, happy birthday to you.
17. Not the best weather if you're gonna go to a flea market outside, celebrating Ethan's 17th birthday, continuing to celebrate the birthday. It was not raining when we left home. It's a good drive up here. And then it starts sprinkling, and we'll see if there's gonna be anybody outside. 17, E-Man.
Yeah,
What do you think, Link?
he's awesome. Everything is awesome.
Wow. A place called the Mother of All Garage Sales. Come here.
Batman hat. The Batman
Yeah.
Superman shirt. The Batman. Hey, look.
Yeah, look at it. WCW game.
No,
Scooby.
no. Scooby right beside it.
Bunch of stuff.
W.
Just hit the Croc Charm jackpot.
I don't know. Charm sounds kind of funny.
Yeah.
Gibbet.
I don't know if you could use the word Croc Charms and jackpot
There's a
together.
Trump,
Oh yeah.
A Trump.
What are they called?
Gibbet.
Gibbets. That's the
less
professional.
Less of a feminine
When it,
word,
like,
so.
the things I got.
Yeah,
like,
we'll
a
document when we get home.
Like a Trump size, and it would go on their shoes.
Oh, you want a Trump charm for your Crocs?
Yeah.
I don't know if they got them. Still raining.
We're going out here?
No. Lincoln, you want this for your room? No, I wouldn't either. Look at that.
Yeah, they are good.
It's fall time. It's officially here. Oh yeah. 2 more for the collection. Tatanka. and Boss Man. Yeah.
If I did, but it's that much dollars, then I will have to write down 0.
Yep. It'll take all your money. You want to wait?
To get that.
How this?
That costs $1.
So you have 24.
So you have 24.
Let's buy an actual card.